Okay, well, okay, well, alright, yeah. That's pretty nice. That is a nice one.
We didn't get scores.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say if this was Pope and Young, if Pope and you, it would score, you know. Just right around in there. Right around in there. Okay. Okay, well, if that's it, then... Oh, you wanted me to work on a bow for you, or... Is this your bow here? You need me to tighten it up for you? Or?
No.
No?
That bow don't need any work. I just heard they had a real dandy guy working for you.
Yeah, I've been working with the guy. He's pretty dandy. I mean, he's not much to look at, but he can sure work on some bows. You know. If this is your bow here, we could get to work on it, or if you have a bow press here, I was under the impression that you had a bow press since you wanted me to come here to work on it. No? No? Okay.
Sir, you just dropped something. Sir? You just dropped something.
Oh, that was yours there. That was yours. I think it was in here.
I think so. Alright, put that back.
Put it back for you there. Okay then. Well, first things first, I'll tell you what you got for arrows here. Is you got the carbon impact, the Fat Shaft XLT 7000s, which I'd run with that with the elk. If you're shooting over 80 pounds, I'd definitely go for that.
That's why I picked them, sir.
Okay then, you're doing good so far. What else can I go over with you?
Well, I got a question over here. What?
Yeah. Okay. Let me just dig through your...
Sir, get out of there, please. Sir, get out of there, please.
Just dig through your...
Get the hell out of there, sir.
Okay.
Let me just dig through your... Yeah, you better put that back up there.
No problem, hey. So, what I was about to tell you is I was shooting my PSC, and I'm trying to get it at the 80-yard target there, and well, I'm getting closer and closer, but sometimes it just gets further and further away.
You got some nice teeth on you. You do a little bit of chewing tobacco or what?
Oh, I just started about 20 years ago, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Suppose. What are you doing, sir? Getting cold.
Well, did you really need me out here, or did you?
I need you to take a look at my frying pans here. They're a little dirty.
Oh, they're a little dirty there. Well, that's good.
Well, can you tell me what I can do with them?
Oh,
And fried venison in them.
A little bow lube on them, the string lube, and a little bit of cam lube. And, I'll tell you what you can do is, put that on there, let it sit for about 2 or 3 days, come back to it, and scrub it off, and then rinse it, and you'll have some pants for you.
Well, they give you quite the get up, don't they? Outfit you're wearing there.
Yeah, brand new.
Oh, yeah?
Well, yeah, they do. They do give me the... They don't give me no boxing shorts, dude. That's about...
Where's the Corky in you?
Corky is dumb. I don't know why he comes around. But
Here he comes.
I've been wasting too much time here. I got buy sell trade everywhere.
I gotta buy some shit.
I'm crazy. I sell and sell and sell, and I buy and trade, and then I buy a lot more and trade it. Mostly junk. But people buy it, like you. You guys are good kids.
Just laugh.
Alright.
What?
I need a drink of water. Mary Beer.
Yeah, you got any money? I don't think you do because you don't want to buy nothing of ours.
Oh, you have junk. You like this cigar? $20. You messed up my beard. I'm gay.
I'm gay.
You got hair growing
Who are
on
you
your
back there?
I'm nobody.
You know what? Your hat stinks like pee. Probably my hand.
Right here, lip.
You pee on your hand?
Well, when I rub my shirt, it's all full of pee. I'll just leave this with you guys, because no one buys this shit.
Alright, why does your belly shake?
My belly is no concern of any. My beard is not that healthy though.
I thought you don't. How do you know?
Because someone told me, Smarty.
Why don't you walk around instead of standing in one place, Harvey?
My feet are sore. I walk and walk and walk all day. I buy salads right here and there. Sometimes I buy, sometimes I trade, and sometimes I sell. So you guys are drinking Bud Light. You got one for me?
No,
I'm
Harvey.
wasting 15 minutes of my time, okay? Driving me nuts these days. Doesn't even ask me. Just comes out and I wreck everything. I might have a buy or sell, maybe trade, and then Corky comes out. I've been drinking beer.
You look like you're in rough shape.
Excuse me?
You look like you're in rough shape.
I buy, sell, or trade anything.
Okay, that explains it.
I gotta take a shit again. But I'll hold it to talk to you guys.
You're an awfully nice guy, Harvey.
I know. So, I see you got some nice boots there. Want to buy some? I got no shoes.
You want to buy some
I want
from
to
me?
buy. What size you got there, son?
I don't sell these. I trade them.
I'll trade you my boxer shorts. They're Kevin Klein. I've been talking too much. What about you? Do you have a girlfriend?
No, do you?
You do not?
No, do you?
I did one time.
Hey, do you
But
sell
then
any
she rode
girls?
a different bus. What?
You sell girls?
No.
You sell everything.
Well,
Trade them.
I'll trade them. But
I'll trade you these boots for a nice girl.
what do you want her name to be?
Susie.
Veronica?
What?
Veronica?
Veronica's
That's a
pretty
very
sexy.
nice name. I had a bus driver named Veronica that told me, see you later.
Howdy, sir.
Howdy.
How's she going today?
Howdy.
Boy, you look like a fucking rough looking character.
You're a real champion yourself.
Kind of fucker.
Alright, guys. Some more customers.
Well, you're in great shape.
You're a real champion yourself.
What?
How you doing?
Take a fucking seat.
Mind if I sit?
Take a seat.
Give me a Windsor. Cherry Pepsi. You had a really rough day.
There you go, sir.
quick. I didn't see you mix it though. What's in there? I think my bib gets wet. So, there must be a lager.
Yeah, a lot in my pants.
I bet you do.
Wow.
I had enough already of you.
Said you had a rough day, huh, sir?
Mind if I smoke?
Go ahead.
You got a lighter?
I got some bar matches.
I got
Okay,
one.
you got one for me.
We can use a candle too, sir.
Thanks, GT. You must cut logs for a living.
You got some fucking nice jiggle hair.
You know,
Your fucking hair looks like you're...
my father was a black Jew. I used to chew,
I don't think you can handle it.
but I like Kodiak. I don't chew that pussy stuff.
How long has that been sure if that means you said you used to chew it?
$20.
I don't give a
I'll
damn.
sell you one.
I don't care.
They're good.
Okay.
So what's your name, pal?
My name is, Polky.
Porky.
The ladies tend to call me Cal Ripken.
Porky and Cal. Call me Vince Lombardi. Give me a shot.
A shot? What do you want?
I need an Everclear.
Everclear? Coming up. Would you like a double?
Pound this guy out a little bit.
Would you like a double?
You triple me.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Wow, you must have really had a hard day.
Get a match? That's pretty
What do you
stout.
do for a living, pal?
Well, I don't know. I sell, I buy, and I trade, and then I order.
Order.
Sometimes it's buy, sell, or trade. Sometimes it's buy, sell, or trade.
Right?
I think you don't get a tip. I ain't tipping them.
Oh,
I don't have money to pay for my drinks. That's why I'm never a regular in the bar.
What's all happened to you today? You look rough.
Well, my beard's falling apart and my suit's getting dirty. And my stogie's running out after 4 days. And I ran into these punk kids today. And I started talking like Kermit the Frog ever since.
You got any kids, wife?
I never had a girl before, but I had this really hot bus driver. She said, "See you later."
What? Well, I gotta go make a phone call. I'll be right
Oh,
back.
there is.
Hey.
You, nice talking to you. Gee whiz. Okay, must be a lager.
That loggin's rough
It
though.
smells like sawdust. Can't even stand it.
Women like it though.